can be wrong because no one can predict the future. Probabilities are just that. They're probabilities. They try their best to predict the future, but they're not always 100% right. All right, next question. Example C, or question C. Bag of Reese's Pieces contains yellow, brown, orange. While you're eating them, you notice that 24 pieces you eat, 10 were orange. Okay. All right. So if there are 44 orange candies in the bag, estimate the total number of candies in the bag. Wait, what? Oh, if there were 44 orange candies, sorry. I was like, all right, if there were 44 orange candies in the bag, so only orange, 44 orange in the bag, estimate the total number of candies in the bag. So this is once again problem solving important. We know based on our experiment of eating these candies that 10 over 24 is our initial fraction or probability of orange candies in this pack of Reese's Pieces, 10 over 24. And now they're saying, well, what if there were 44 orange candies in the bag? What's the total number of candies in the bag, including all the colors? Well, remember that when you're doing this fraction, the bottom number is kind of like the total number of candies, and then the top number in this case is the number of orange candies. So you need to make an equal sign, make an equation, and write another fraction where the total number of orange candies are 44, and the total number of candies in the bag is a question mark, because we don't know. That's what we're trying to figure out. And we usually use a letter here, x, a variable. So the answer is 10 over 24 equals 44 over x. At this point, I've shown you many times that whenever you have a fraction equal to a fraction, you cross multiply. So it's x times 10, which is obviously 10x, because 10 times x. And 24 times 44, well, that's just using a calculator. You should be able to figure that out. That's 1056. And finally, the last step is to divide both sides by the number that's next to your letter. Cancel this out. And x is equal to 105.6, roughly. So in this case, x is the total amount of candies in the bag. $105.6. Boom. Learning goals: calculate theoretical and experimental probability, solve problems relating to probability. Now what? What should we be working on? Should we work on 2.4, 2.5? Due today is the quiz and the assignment. And yeah, let's see. Let's go back here now. So quiz 5, 2.1, and assignment 1, 2.2, 2.3. Under the quizzes and assignments sections. Okay. I think, yeah, we have a few minutes. The worksheets. Let me see. Here, you're talking about here, right? No, for me, there's no solutions. No. So like you're talking about these lessons, right? So these lessons are basically what I do in class. So the solution is the video. Oh, so this. Good question. From my understanding, there should be solutions given in here. Like, see, so suggested answer. See that? Like, there should be solutions in this thing. So if you go through it, they should explain it. That's the whole point of them doing it this way. Yeah, see? So answers, they're all there. Yeah. Yeah, you're welcome. Any other questions? Hey, Marlena. Let me see. Stop sharing for a second. Boom. All right. That's it. We're good. Q&A. Anything else? Okay. You guys are free to go. I'm gonna start recording, and it's your choice to now do what you want.